Hello everyone, this is Bhupendra Singh and you are watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. Today we are going to interface the MQ2 sensor with the new Blynk 2.0 IoT mobile app and cloud web dashboard. So first of all, please like and subscribe to our channel and videos who haven't subscribed to it yet, so that you can get the latest video update at the very first. As all of you know, MQ2 gas sensor is a metal oxide semiconductor type gas sensor used for sensing the concentration of gases in the air such as LPG, propane, methane, hydrogen, alcohol, smoke and carbon monoxide. According to the graph, we can see that the minimum concentration we can test is 100 ppm and the maximum is 10,000 ppm. In other words, we can get a concentration of gas between 0.01% and 1%. It contains a sensing material with a voltage divider network inside it, whose resistance changes when it comes in a contact with the gas. Let's connect the hardware. Here I am using an ESP32 board to interface with the new Blynk Cloud. Let's place it on the breadboard. This is an MQ2 gas sensor that is easily available in the market in between 100 to 200 rupees. This is a 5-volt buzzer and we are using it to beep while the sensor detects the gas level. This is LED module. It has green and red LED for alert. I have already made a program for the NodeMCU ESP8266 board. You can find the program link in the video description. This is the circuit diagram. You need to connect your hardware as per this circuit diagram. Hardware connection has been completed. Now it's time to create a template in the new Blynk Cloud website. So go to the Blynk website and log into it. Blynk Cloud website link is available in the video description. You will get the option to create a new template. So click on it. Template property has been opened. Write here the name of your project template as MQ2 detection. Select the hardware as ESP32. If you are using NodeMCU ESP8266, then select ESP8266 here. Connection type as Wi-Fi. Write the project description as MQ2 sensor detection and click on done. Click on the Metadata tab. In the Metadata tab, you can see the information of your template like device name, location, time zone, etc. Now click on the DataStream tab. You will define the method of accessing the ESP32 or NodeMCU pins. We have 5 options here. Please watch the complete video for this and decide what the best option for you. First option is digital. If you want to access your digital pin directly, then you can create your data stream with a digital pin. Right? Now the second is analog. If you want to access analog pins directly, then use analog. Third is virtual pin. This is the best option where you can access all digital, analog, SPI, I2C pins directly through it. Right? The fourth one is Enumerable, in which data stream accepts a fixed set of values and transforms them into desired outcomes. The last one is location, where you can access pins of board location wise, but it's available in the paid version. So we go ahead with the virtual pin. Click on the virtual pin. In the name, write MQ2 ppm, pin as V0, data type as integer, max value to 10,000 and click on create. Click again on new data stream and then virtual pin. Write here the name as virtual LED, pin as V1, data type as integer, and click on create. We will glow this virtual LED while a particular gas range is detected. Now click on the Events tab. In this tab, it shows the notification while our board goes online and offline. You can also create new events by Add New Events button. This is the Automation tab, where we can set the type of the automation based on their condition for our data stream. We can define what type of data we are accessing in the data stream pins. Now come to the web dashboard. Here we will drag and drop the widgets for our data stream so that we can see them in our dashboard. We can add a maximum of 30 widgets in a freeware account. If you want to add more widgets, upgrade your account to a premium account. Okay? So drag and drop LED widgets here. We can also resize it as per our requirement. Now we drag and drop the gauze and label widget in the dashboard. Hover the mouse to the LED widget. You can see here the setting icon. Click on it. LED property has been opened. Click on choose data stream and choose the virtual LED V1. You can also change the color of the LED. So click on the color and choose red and click on save. LED setting has been done. So hover the mouse on the gauze and open the setting. Choose the data stream as MQ2 ppm V0 and select the color as blue and click on save. Right? For the label widget setting, hover the mouse to the label widget and click on the setting icon. In the property, choose the data stream as MQ2 ppm V0. Change the color to the orange and click on save. So this is how you can set up your web dashboard. The last tab is mobile dashboard. You can get the download link to download the new Blynk IoT app for your iOS and Android mobile. At the last, now click on the save button to save all the settings to your project template. Now time to add the board to the Blynk Cloud. So click on the search tab. Here click on new device. We got 3 different ways to connect. First one is from template, where we can connect our board through our template. Second one is scan QR code. You can connect your device through scanning the QR code of your device from here or through the Blynk Mobile app. The third option is manual entry. In this option, you can add the device by entering the code that is provided by the Blynk supported device. This code is usually placed below the QR code. Here we go through the template. So click on from template, choose here the template ID as MQ2 detection and click on create. Once you click on the create button, we have got our project template credentials. We need to write these credentials to our program. You can also get these credentials at the device info tab. So now it's time for the program. So go to the video description and click on the link to download the program. This link will redirect you to my GitHub repository. Here click on the code button and then download zip. Once code downloaded, go to the download location. You will get the programming code zip file with the name MQ2 Sensor with new Blynk 2.0 master. Right click on it and click on extract here. And guys, if you don't have WinZip or WinRAR software to unzip it, then a link is available in the video description to download these softwares. So go inside this folder and you will get the 2 folders with name MQ2 ESP32 new Blynk 2 and MQ2 NodeMCU new Blynk 2. If you are using a NodeMCU board, then go inside this folder and open the program. As I am using an ESP32 board, let's go inside this folder and open this program with Arduino IDE. Download link for the Arduino IDE is also available in the video description. In the top of the programming code, you can see the Blynk credentials. We need to replace it with your credentials. So go to the Blynk website and click on the search tab. Here we got the list of available devices added by us. Click on the device and we got the dashboard of our project template. Here click on the device info tab. These are our template credentials. So copy these credentials and replace them in our program. Below we define Blynk serial so that we can see the Blynk data to the serial monitor. Here we define the header file for Wi-Fi and Blynk. Here we call the authentication token of our Blynk project template that we have just defined. Here you need to write your Wi-Fi name in which you want to connect your NodeMCU or ESP32 board. And below write the password of your Wi-Fi. By all of these three credentials, we add our board to the Blynk Cloud server. Right? Now we define the Blynk timer. This is essential because we call the sensor according to this timer. We define the MQ2 sensor to be 34 number pin of ESP32 board, green LED to 12, red LED to 14 and buzzer to 30 number pin of our ESP32 board. Below we define the LED widget to the V1 virtual pin using widget LED function. In the setup function, we begin the serial at 9600 baud rate so that you can see the data in the serial monitor of Arduino IDE. We define the pin mode as output for green and red LED as well as for buzzer. Now we call the Blynk.begin function to connect our ESP32 or NodeMCU board to the Blynk Cloud server by passing the authentication token of our Blynk template, Wi-Fi name and password. How will it work? This Blynk.begin command first connect our board to the internet through the Wi-Fi name and password. After it verifies the authentication token. If the token is valid, then send the data to the Blynk Cloud. I think this will help you to understand how data flows from your board to the Blynk Cloud. Once our board is connected to the Blynk Cloud, I call the timer.setInterval command after a delay of 2 seconds. What does this timer.setInterval function do? Every 1000 milliseconds, this function will call mySensor function. We define the mySensor function below that will read and send the sensor data to the Blynk Cloud. Right? Below in the loop function, we call the Blynk.run and timer.run functions. This Blynk.run function is responsible for keeping connections alive, sending data, receiving data, etc. And the timer.run function is responsible for calling the mySensor function every second that we defined here. Right guys? In the mySensor function, we didn't need this command now. We read the 100 sample of the MQ2 sensor and store this value to the MQ2 val variable. We make the average of the 100 samples by dividing it by 100 and store it again on the MQ2 val variable. We send this MQ2 sensor data to the V0 virtual pin by using the Blynk.virtualWrite command. Okay. Below we compare and create the alert while the sensor senses the gas over the label. If the MQ2 sensor value is greater than 600 ppm, this command is also not working here, so I am deleting it. So if the gas ppm is greater than 600, then we start alert by low the green LED and high the red LED and start the buzzer using digital write command. At the same time, we glow the virtual LED using LED.on command so that this time it shows the alert in the new Blynk Cloud and mobile app, right? And if the value is less than or equal to 600, then we glow the green LED and off the red LED and buzzer. As well as we off the virtual LED by LED.off command. We also print the MQ2 ppm value to the serial monitor. So this is our complete program. Let's upload the program to the ESP32 board. Connect your ESP32 board to the computer. Guys, don't forget to change your Blynk credentials as well as Wi-Fi name and password in the program. Go to the Tools tab. In the board section, select the ESP32 Viewer module. After selecting the board, again go to the Tools tab, select the port as GOMAT. It can be different on your computer, right? After selecting the port, click on the Upload button. As you can see, program uploading has been done. Now open the serial monitor and press the enable button of your ESP32 board. If you are using NodeMCU ESP8266, then press the RST button. As you can see, our board has been connected to the Blynk Cloud and we got ready written on the serial monitor. Let's see the data in Blynk web dashboard. So go to your Blynk website and click on the search tab. As you can see, our board is online. Click on your device and you can see the live data in the web dashboard. Now time to configure the new Blynk mobile app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and download the new Blynk IoT app. Once downloaded, log into it. And once login, you can see your project template with name MQ2 detection. Click on it to configure it. So click on the setting icon here. Click here for plus sign to add widgets to your project template. Click here for value display widget to add it to the dashboard. You can also resize and replace it by long press on the widgets. Now add goes to the dashboard. We also add the LED to the dashboard so that we can show the indication. Resize and replace the widgets as per your requirements. Okay. After it, click on the value display widget. Here, align the title to the center. Select the data stream as MQ2 ppm V0 and back to the dashboard. Now click on the gauge widget. Select the data stream as MQ2 ppm V0. Align the title to the center and back to the dashboard. Now click on the LED widget. Select the data stream as virtual LED V1. Click on the color and choose the color as red and back to the dashboard. So this is the final preview of the new Blynk IoT app. Now time for live testing. You can see the data in the new Blynk web dashboard as well as the mobile app. I have a small lighter with me, so I am using the gas of the lighter so that the MQ2 sensor can detect the gas. This time the ppm is under 600 and the green LED is glowing, which means the level of the gases sensed by the MQ2 gas sensor is under throttle. Right? Let's smoke the lighter near to the MQ2 sensor. While I press the switch of the lighter near the MQ2 sensor, ppm of the MQ2 sensor goes high and the virtual LED indicates the red indicator in the Blynk website as well as in the mobile app. At the same time, the buzzer starts blowing. Red LED is also glowing, that is connected to the ESP32 board. Once I take away the lighter, the ppm value goes down quickly as the ceiling fan is on. Let's check it once again. As you can see, this is working perfectly and at the same time it displays the value in the new Blynk Cloud. So guys, this is how we can connect the MQ2 sensor with new Blynk IoT Cloud and mobile app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and videos. Don't forget to comment in the comment box below for your query. I will definitely try to resolve it. Stay tuned for more innovation.